Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Really quickly before I do go, since the majority of this video was pretty self-explanatory, I just want to tell you guys that this wig is from Wiggins Hair. I just want to give you guys the details of the hair that I'm wearing. Love their hair company. I'm surprised I haven't tried their body wave wig before. Like, I've had their loose deep wave, I've had their straight hair, but I haven't tried their body wave hair yet, so that's why I decided to get this wig. I'm just gonna tell you guys what comes in the packaging. So there was an elastic band in there. There is a little edge brush. They gave me not one but two pairs of lashes in here, a 2-pack of wig caps, and then of course their usual little drawstring bag so that you can put your unit back in for later. Now, as far as the hair itself, this is their, what did I get? I got their 13x6 body wave lace front wig. So this is about how far back it goes, but I kind of have my part ending somewhere around here. Love the extra part in space. That's specifically why I got this wig. So yeah, I was surprised that I haven't tried their body wave texture yet. I love this hair company. I love their straight hair. Now, you would think that this lace is transparent, you guys, but it's not. See a little discoloration from here in the front part of the lace. That's because I do have my cap on, so it's kind of like slid back in the front, so that's why you don't see the same color here towards the front. But I think that that's okay, because usually our scalp color is not the same color as our, you know, scalp that's around our edges. I did get this wig in 20, is it a 26 or 24? 24 inches, I think, because I think this is the longest length that it comes in. And then I also did get my usual 180% density. So prior to me installing this wig, it was freshly washed and air dried. I think it's better to let the hair air dry before you go in and like style it with any type of heat tools, just because you get like a better finish. You get the natural luster and shine of the hair versus you, like, you know, blow drying it and then putting like some type of serum or something on it. Like, I just prefer to leave the hair alone, and I like to enjoy the natural luster of hair. So that's why I'm not really big on like oil sheens and like shine products and stuff like that. I don't really like to put product on my hair. Of course, for curly hair, yes, I do put product on it, but as far as like my straight and my body wave wigs, I literally just leave them alone. So even though this is their body wave hair, it just reminds me so much of their straight hair. I fell in love with their straight hair, like, I don't know, I think probably a year ago, if not over a year ago. They have really good quality straight hair. I had got some bundles and a closure from them in that texture, but this body wave hair is just as silky. So if you know that you're someone who likes that when it comes to hair, you like that the hair is very silky, they are always somebody I would recommend. Whenever someone says, oh, I'm looking for some silky straight hair, 9 times out of 10, this is the one hair company that comes to mind first, that I tell people, oh, if you're looking for that, then go ahead and get that from here. And because their hair is so silky, just a little hair care tip that I do to help it maintain this luster and shine is I make sure to wash it with some type of shampoo that has moisture in it. Like, I use the G deep moisture shampoo on this hair. I do use it on my natural hair too, but I find that with their hair, if you want to maintain the luster of it, it's very, very, very important to keep in mind what type of shampoo you're using on the hair. I'm not sure if a lot of people know that or not, but their hair, I'm not going to say requires a moisture shampoo, but it's best to use shampoos with like extra moisture in them, or that cater to having moisture in them, if you want to maintain this look without having to put any product on it. Okay, so like I said, this hair is 24 inches, so I'm going to try to come up. This is as high as my chair will go, but you guys pretty much get an idea of where this hair stops on me. It kind of comes to my waist when it is stretched, but when it's just left alone, it just falls exactly right here. So yeah, I love this hair, you guys. I'm a really big fan of their hair, so that's the thing with me when I have a hair company that I really like. I'm going to pretty much try out all their textures. Maybe not all, but I'm going to try out at least like 3 or 4 of their textures. Curly hair is the only hair from them that I haven't tried, but I pretty much am stuck on my favorite type of curly hair that I already recommend to you guys before anyway. So of course, as always, what I will do is I will go ahead and leave the direct link for this wig down below. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, for some reason they're really like short on 13x6 wigs. I got mine, you know, hopefully you can get one. Before there wasn't really a shortage. I've had a lot of you guys message me and ask me to buy one of my 13x6 wigs off me because you guys have been going on whatever hair companies you guys have been looking at and seeing that they don't have anymore. I did get like 3 of mine off my hands, but I mean, I do have more, but they're not for sale because I do want to keep them for myself. So I did give, you know, sell some to 3 young ladies, but hopefully, like I said, there's still some available. I'm gonna try to get this video up as soon as possible. I kind of changed my mind on like the whole baby hair thing. I didn't really want any, so I literally just kind of did a few swoops here and there because I just kind of want to go like for a very soft, natural look. I like that this hair just flows nicely. They're medium brown lace. I tell this to you guys all the time, especially some of the other ladies who are, you know, around my skin tone or even darker, because you guys do ask a lot when it comes to our type of complexions. I feel like they have the best medium brown lace for us. As you guys can see, this lace looks like it could have been transparent lace, but it's not. Like their lace, here, I have a piece right here. I'll show you guys. Like their lace is very, very, very thin. As you can see, it's that kind of lace that has a lot of stretch to it. Like I'm pulling on it as hard as I can, and all it does is stretch out. It doesn't rip at all. There's a little bit of my foundation on the lace, but if you guys want to see for yourself, like if you guys can see this side right here, and it's medium brown, but it kind of just reminds me of transparent lace. But they do a great job. They do a really, really good job when it comes to the lace, and it's not just on their wigs. The lace is going to be the same on their closures. So thumbs up to them for always having the best lace. They've been having the best lace since I first started wearing their hair, and this was well over a year ago. Now if you're a little bit lighter, because this is not like, I feel like this would work for a lighter skin tone. I'm not 100% sure, obviously, because I can't relate, but you would have to just try it and see for yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to leave the direct link for this wig down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.